Hai, hello. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, my name is Muhammad Amzar bin Muhammad Nazari. My other group member is Faiz, Adam, and Izu. Okay, I will pass this presentation to Adam.
Okay, cocoa is one of the favorite foods for everyone, and actually it also has many benefits to health. It is because it's phenolic antioxidants that contain the cocoa is basically more than most of other foods. Okay, most of the health effects of cocoa chocolate are due to high content of polyphenol in cocoa. Polyphenol is one of the natural chemical organoids that give many benefits and health benefits to the human. Extracted in many ways to, to make it can be consumed by human. In the last 30 years, polyphenol have attracted much to the antioxidant capacity. It's because the started to realize that the previous antioxidant capacity or polyphenol in the cocoa has special implication in human health, such as treatment and prevention of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and also for the brain. Basically, cocoa seeds contain many bioactive compounds, including high level of polyphenols, which is 12 to 80% of polyphenol in dry weight of a cocoa. As you can see at this figure one, there are different compound can be divided into polyphenols and polyphenols. Yeah, but today we want to focus on polyphenols because it gives many benefits in human health. Polyphenol can be divided into two, which is polyphenols and flavonoids. Polyphenols can be divided into two, LX and CMs. But today we like to talk about flavonoids because I like to talk about flavonoids because the flavonoids content which in cocoa is many compared to other compared to non-flavonoid. Okay. Flavonol can be divided to three: flavonols, and anthocyanins. Flavanol actually they has basic they has same basic structure, but they different in functional group. Today we can see the structure, but flavanol flavanol is the most the major flavonoids in the cocoa. Flavonoids can be divided into actually three, which is epicatechin, catechin, and oligomers, and proanthocyanidins. Proanthocyanidins is the oligomers for the epicatechins and catechins. Oligomers means the catechin and epicatechin is the building block for proanthocyanidins. Okay. Epicatechin and catechin actually have same have different structure, but different in configuration. Strand and cis they have different configuration. This make them different in their chemical properties. Yes. In one study, the average total flavonol in the dark chocolate was more than 5 times that of milk chocolate. It's because the polyphenol flavonol contained in the cocoa beans make the dark chocolate has more contents. Yes, it's because dark chocolate use more cocoa beans than the milk chocolate. This means dark chocolate has more benefits than health benefits than 29 to 38% of total cocoa polyphenols, including catechins, that is twins, which is epicatechin. Up to 35% of total polyphenol in both cocoa powder and chocolate. So epicatechin there is many abundant in the chocolate or cocoa. Yes. For anthocyanidins, anthocyanidin is the only words for catechin and epicatechin. Up to 58% and 58% of total cocoa polyphenols. In other group of flavonoids, anthocyanins only up to 4% of total cocoa polyphenol. Okay, nice. Now I want to show you about the flavonoid structure. Basically, the flavonoid structure have the same like molecule, which is A and B is the benzene group, benzene, and C is the hydrocyclic. So this basic, if you see, this structure is the flavonoid structure, but it will change after it will change at the ring C and B. If you can see the below is the anthocyanins, flavonols, and flavonoids. Ring A will keep same, while groups ring C and B will differ. Okay, the difference is on the functional group that influence the antioxidant activity of the compounds.
Okay, that's I will continue for the presentation. Hey, my name is Muhammad Amzar bin Muhammad Nazari, metric number 191945. Okay, I will explain to you about the health benefit of polyphenol from cocoa. Okay, first, its health benefit is on tooth health. Okay, it's phenol from the cocoa it function as the protective effect of cocoa on dental caries. Cocoa product may contain inhibitors of the dextrosucrase enzyme. So this enzyme is sucrase enzyme is function for the formation of the plaque extracellular polysaccharide from sucrose. So this cocoa have inhibitor for this enzyme. So it may avoid for the formation of the plaque extracellular. And then phenolic substance are also responsible for the observed anti-caries effect of cocoa powder. Okay. Next, its health benefit is on anti-obesity effect. Okay, so who want to avoid from obesity, you may consume cocoa. You may practice to consume cocoa. It has ability to suppress fatty acid synthesis while stimulate cell energy expenditure in the mitochondria. And also, cocoa consumption may also have beneficial effect on satiety, cognitive function, and mood. Okay, I will go to the next health benefit. Okay, next is neurodegenerative disease. So, what is a neurodegenerative disease? Usually, it's a disease that have link which our neuro lah, such as such as insomnia, such as like that. There are diseases that which that is neurodegenerative. Okay, so cocoa polyphenol extract, Actico powder. It may help delay age-related brain impairment, including cognitive deficit in normal age and perhaps neurodegenerative disease. And Actico powder also beneficial in retard age-related brain impairments. Okay. Also, when we consume cocoa, they also help us to protect nerve from injury and inflammation. Okay. Next, for the effect on skin tone and elasticity. Okay. The girl who want to become more young or to stay young, you may consume cocoa lah. It has positive effect on skin structure. Cocoa polyphenol exhibit a positive action on the parameters assessed, including glycosaminoglycan and collagen 1, 3, and 4, associated with skin tone and elasticity. And lastly, anti-inflammatory properties of phenolic from cocoa. Effect of cocoa phenolic on inflammatory mediators such as leukotriene. Okay. Negative epicatechin inhibits the dioxygenase and LTA2 synthase activity of 5L blocks. Okay. This epicatechin inhibit the dioxygenase and LTA2. These first two consecutive is these two is first two consecutive step in the conversion of arachidonic acid into various pro-inflammatory agents, including leukotriene, which are catalyzed by the same enzyme. There's a few its health benefit. You may search more on health benefit of the cocoa. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
So we move to mechanism of the inflammatory mediators, which is one of the earliest event in the arterial wall in the initiation of arteriosclerosis is the adherence of mononuclear cell to endothelium, which is triggered by a number of adhesion molecules such as B-selectin and E-selectin. These molecules are expressed by endothelial or vascular smooth muscle cell upon pro-atherogenic stimuli such as oxidized LDL, which is low density lipid or oxidative free radical. After monocytes and T-lipocytes bind to the surface of the arterial wall, they will migrate into the subendothelial space where they differentiate and transform into macrophage and form a cell. Then, transendothelial migration of leukocytes during the inflammatory process is triggered by chemotactic proteins such as monocyte chemoattractant protein as well as by pro-inflammatory cytokinase secreted by macrophage and T cell. So these molecules contribute to arteriogenesis by maintaining the inflammation inside the lesion and promoting the proliferation and migration of residential smooth muscle cell and the building of a dense extracellular matrix around them. So the macrophage lipid, T-lymphocyte, smooth muscle cell and extracellular matrix is the example of classes of activated cell release pro-inflammatory mediator that induce the expression of cellular adhesion molecules. Next, we move to the next mechanism, which is chelation of metal. Flavonoids are able to chelate free radical immediately by donating a hydrogen atom or by single electron transfer. Another possible mechanism of action of flavonoid is through the chelation of transition metal element. Flavonoids have chelating property which enable them to chelate or bind to metal ions in human body to prevent them being accessible for oxidation. While certain flavonoids have potential capacity to chelate trace metal ions such as ferrum, topaz, and copper that play a vital role in oxygen metabolism and free radical formation. So, it will stable the free radical and make unable to attack the DNA.
Is put into a container of maceration. Hi, my name is Amir Uzman Batia and my meeting number is 19253. I will explain about method to analyze bioactive compounds in cocoa. Firstly is extraction and purification. So the author used maceration method with an hexane solvent to extract the cocoa bean. Firstly, the powder of cocoa bean is put into a container of maceration and an hexane is added so that the entire sample is soaked. Next, the author performed purification of polyphenol compound with solvent acetone with ratio to water 70-30 volume over volume. Next, the solvent is collected in a container and then evaporated. And lastly, the water remaining in the purified extract is eliminated by using a freeze drying to obtain a dry purified extract containing flavonoid compounds. Okay, determination of total flavonoid content. Content of flavonoid in purified extract of cocoa bean, theobroma cacao is determined by aluminum chloride colorimetric assay method. Plus, in this disease has been analyzed by using HPLC. The model is Shimadzu Shinpek for the C18 with an element of methanol with ratio to water 40-60. Okay, firstly, 251.1 milligram of purified extract is dissolved in methanol solvent, and then the volume is added up to 50 ml in a measuring flask. Next, 0.5 ml of sample solution is pipetted and put in a 50 ml measuring flask, and then 20 ml of distilled water was added. Okay, next 1.5 ml of 5% of sodium nitrate was left for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, 0.15 ml of 10% aluminum chloride was added. Next, after 5 minutes, it was added 10 ml of 1 mole sodium hydroxide up to 50 ml in volume with distilled water. Then the solution absorbent was measured at 510 nanometer. Next, standard curve was constructed using various concentration of catechin. At last, results are expressed as a percent of catechin. This will be a flow scheme for HPLC. This will be a solvent reservoir, and then is pumped to produce hydration. The sample will be injected here, pass through the HPLC tube, and then immediately go to the detector, and the peaks will be displayed in the PC. Okay, this will be the result that author had obtained: 272.2 milligram per gram of flavonoid obtained in the study, which are calculated as catechin as shown in table 1, 2, and figure 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will be table 1, concentration, x-axis, absorbent, y-axis. Table 2, the measurement result in total flavonoid of purified extract of cocoa beans, where the average, the author has calculated the average. Okay, this will be the calibration of catechin standard. Okay, the author has plotted, and this graph is obtained. Okay, HPLC profile of purified extract of cocoa beans. The high speed is catechin, as we may see in figure 4. HPLC profile of catechin standard. Okay, the high speed will be catechin. Okay, the method to analyze, first is HPLC-MS, high performance liquid chromatography, combined with mass spectrometry, HPLC-TOFMS, quadruple time of flight. Lastly, HPLC, SIT or FMS coupled to electrons pre-ionization and time of flight mass spectrometry. These are other methods used to analyze. However, the author tend to use HPLC due to other method is cost is quite, as we all know that it is costly, and HPLC will be the one of the cheapest method compared to these other three methods. That is all from us. Thank you.